Katanya dia kirim email.
Santa send you email, guys.
Iya tuh.
How about me?
Yeah,
Santa
because
say to you too katanya.
Please
But
wait a moment while your video is loading.
ya itu saya dia mau Santa ngomong Grace first katanya. After that you.
Yeah! Daddy, look, there's an elf.
yeah, that's why it's Santa because it's from North Pole.
Because mami kirim
Because the letter, remember?
letter already to North Pole. So Santa said he wanna talk to you. Because mami kirim the meme from Messi. I sent it already and Santa said he wanna talk to you.
I know that. I go to the remote pole. In your stomach.
Oh, come on, Isaac.
Oh, yummy. It's right there.
What's
It's
it say,
me.
guys?
What's me now?
Read it. What does it say?
Message from Santa to Grace.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. You have message.
Where's
for-
me, Mommy?
You have to listen from Kaka guess first.
Maybe Santa got the paper from you
It's almost loading.
from North Pole.
It's loading right now. Oh.
Almost.
You mean it's almost done loading?
Message from Santa to Grace. Wah, yo.
Uh-oh. Please, please, please. Yes. Press the thingy.
Ya. Udah. Ayo. Bisa di ini nggak, Bang? Digedein.
Check dulu, baby.
Oh, hello, Grace.
Hi.
Welcome. Isn't this great? Now my portable North Pole console is really portable. We have installed cameras all over the village. This is the elves' secret quarters ice hole. The elves are very talented artists, and ice sculpture is their specialty. Isn't this beautiful? Now there's something I'd like to show you. Here, in my huge library, I have a book about every child. Now let's see. Where is it? Ah, here's yours.
Your name, Grace.
I love Santa.
Santa Claus knows you very well. You're 6 years old, aren't you?
Yes.
And you're in the first grade. Now, let's see what it says in your big book. Oh, you've really grown, haven't you? Do you think you've been good since last Christmas? I know this year you've been asked to try your best to always listen to your parents. Let's see what my elves saw on their machine. Grace, you're still on my good list, but you have to try a little harder. Don't worry, my elves and I have faith in you. I think they've even started getting your present ready. Come with me. I'm going to show you the most secret place in my whole village. It's here in the elves' workshop where all the magic happens. I see you want a gift for dancing. Oh, I don't think you'll be disappointed. And on Christmas Eve, I'll bring it to you wherever you are. Because I can always find you, and I know that you live right here. Let's see if my reindeer are ready for the big trip. They just can't wait to pull my sleigh. Here's Sturpo. Just like you, he's very intelligent. On Christmas Eve, he'll be part of my team. But first, I have to train him. Oh, it's time for me to go on my daily sleigh ride. Grace, I'll see you again very soon.
And what?
Christmas Eve.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! Ho, 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 ho!
See, you're still in the good list katanya. That means you will get
Is it?
present.